At our wedding in India, I actually gave a speech in Hindi, and that's when I realized how far I'd come. Hi, I'm Adam. I live in Seattle, Washington with my wife and our cat Momo. I started learning Hindi on Preply to connect with my wife, who's from India, and I found Reenu on Preply about 7 months before we were going to get married in India.
Namaste ji, I'm Reenu. I live in India near Delhi. I have been teaching on Preply for almost 5 years now. When Adam told me that he was getting married in India and that he wanted to learn Hindi, I was very happy. And step by step, Adam became more confident, more natural.
And then I got this idea that I wanted to give a speech in Hindi at the wedding.
I suggested Adam some jokes, some phrases and some Bollywood lines. We prepared everything together.
Without Reenu's help, it would have sounded like Google Translate, very robotic. But with her help, it sounded real. And when I gave the speech, everyone was so shocked. My wife was tearing up and her family was laughing at all the jokes.
Ankita, मुझे नहीं पता कि आगे क्या होगा. शायद मैं आपकी हिंदी सही करूँगा.
That's how I knew that I did it right, because the jokes landed.
And I actually traveled to their wedding as well. When I saw Adam, how comfortable he was in Hindi, I was really very proud. When we started, we were just like teacher and student, but now it's like FaceTiming with family.
Preply didn't just help me learn Hindi, it helped me feel like I belong.